Right, so today we're in my BMW E46 M3, so it's the 3.2 with the SMG2 gearbox, and age is 2003, and it's the Vert, which is the convertible.
Lovely, thank you for letting us have a look at it today. So tell us sort of the story behind the car from the beginning.
Yeah, certainly. So, okay, so I bought this about 2 years ago. The wheels were a mess. Somebody had painted over them in silver. And,
right, okay.
Cheap tyres, all the things that needed correcting on it. Really.
Yeah.
But that was the point in buying one like that.
Okay.
Service history and everything like that was really good with the car. So
okay.
Previous owner had looked after it on that side.
Yeah.
Just not so much so on the exterior and looks of the vehicle.
Okay, so and then what did you then do with the car?
So I basically picked it up from the garage.
Yeah.
I think I drove it for probably about a month just to make sure it drove all okay.
That's what you wanted, yeah.
Yeah, and then it went into our workshop at AW Smart Repairs.
Right. So that's your own company.
It is, yeah, it is. We specialise in different types of repairs to vehicles.
Okay.
But we also do vehicle styling as well.
Right. Okay.
So this was to be what we see now it was the end result of where we wanted to go with the styling.
Yeah, absolutely. So how long did the process take you in terms of from start to finish?
I'd say about 3 months.
Okay, right.
From start to finish.
Yeah.
We've replaced the wings on it. The wings, quite a common issue with these.
Yeah.
Is the front wings just start to corrode.
Oh right.
So we basically stripped the whole car back and redone all the bodywork.
Okay.
Replaced the wings with 2 new wings.
Yeah.
And then paintwork wise, once we'd done all the repairs, we then painted it in black again.
Yeah.
But we then put what's called prismatic paint over the top of the black.
Yeah. Okay.
Which then gives it the paint effect you see.
It's absolutely awesome, and you don't see many vehicles around with anything like that. I think it's a really special kind of unique spray paint job, really.
Yeah, very much so. Yeah, and that was what we wanted to achieve as well. I didn't want to do something that looked silly, but we wanted to do something that was different to anyone else. Yeah.
And it is then kind of showcasing what your business is able to do, and customers have seen it and thought actually I can do something like that with mine.
Yeah, definitely. And the other, it's a good way of getting people talking, whether they like it or dislike it.
Yeah.
It still grabs people's attention.
Yeah, absolutely.
We also then redone all the wheels as well. We changed the backing colour, so they're normally grey.
Yeah.
I wanted them in gloss black in the back and then diamond cut faces. Other minor things we've done the brake calipers, so they've been refurbished and done in heat resistant paint.
Mm-hmm.
And then just minor touches, really, new badges across the car just to again make it look fresh.
Yeah.
It has been very slightly lowered on fully adjustable suspension.
Okay.
And spacers just to bring out the wheels to fill the arches.
The ride quality is actually really good. When we were doing the shots earlier, sort of off road, I thought actually it was really nicely. It wasn't too bumpy. Obviously, nice kind of still firm suspension for that kind of more sporty side to the car.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
So in addition to the bits that you've done outside, I can see you've also done the hydro dipping for the interior bits as well.
And we have, yeah. So the interior trims, which were just a sort of metal effect looking finish.
Yeah.
We then prepped them up, primed them, and then they're hydro dipped in a carbon effect finish.
Okay. I think it looks really, really good. Really kind of finishes the interior off.
And then we've also hydro dipped the engine cover, so the rocker cover is done in a finish called Casino. So that's a bit more quirky.
How have you found the durability of it?
Yeah, extremely good. The actual ink itself, so the finish that is left left after we hydroed him is stronger than a painted finish.
Right, okay.
Now you've been in it, I know we haven't really sort of gone hell for leather anywhere,
No.
but it's not bad for an 03 plate car like yours, really. There,
I think all-round car, it's absolutely awesome. Now this is actually my first time in an M3. I've not been in one before, and I've got to say, after spending a little bit of time driving around with Alex, I've been thoroughly impressed. We've now been joined by an Audi RA V10 Plus, and also a really nice sounding Aston Martin Vantage. They're going to come and have a little bit of a play with us, and then we're going to go and grab a curry on a gorgeous evening. Right folks, the sun is going down here in Suffolk. Thank you very much for checking out our video. Thank you for bearing with us with the audio. We are producing this film solely on a GoPro and a Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. So if you want to check out our videos in future that we're going to kind of continue to improve and progress with, please subscribe, please like, let us know what you thought of the video. Huge thanks to Alex for letting us have a look at his car. Thank you very much. See you later. I was breaking point there.
That's where Dave has to remember he has ceramics and we don't.
That's it, yeah. Bang!